Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to learn how to disable the Meta AI option from your Facebook account. If you're not a fan of this new feature and want to remove it, stick around until the end as I'll guide you through all the steps you need to follow. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is locate the Facebook app on your home screen. Once you've found it, long press on the app icon until you see a few options pop up. Look for the Uninstall option and tap on it to remove the Facebook app from your device. This is an essential step to getting rid of the Meta AI feature. Now that the app is uninstalled, we'll need to install an older version of Facebook that doesn't have the Meta AI feature. Open your web browser and search for Facebook Old Version on Google. You'll see a list of search results. Make sure to choose a trusted website from which you can download the Facebook APK file. Once you're on the website, look for an APK version of Facebook that was released around the end of March or the beginning of April. These older versions do not include the Meta AI feature, so they're what we want. Next, download the APK file. After it's downloaded, go to your Downloads folder and find the Facebook APK file. If you've already uninstalled the Facebook app, you should now see the option to install this older version. Just tap on Install and follow the steps to get the app back on your device. Once the installation is complete, log into Facebook using your email and password, and then check your Facebook chat. You should no longer see the Meta AI option in your conversations. And that's how you disable the Meta AI feature from your Facebook account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.